I got a 2001 Toyota Camry. Got some front end parts we're gonna be changing. Lower control arm, outer tie rod, inner tie rod, and the sway bar links here. It's too pricey to get it in the parts store. I think I got this offline for $100, and I think the parts store wanted $100 per control arm, so pretty good buy. I think I got this off Amazon. So like I said, the tie rods and stuff seems to be pretty tight, but back in here my bushings are just destroyed. So we're gonna jump right into this. Like I said, I think it's a common problem with the Toyotas, so stay tuned. Got a Carter pin, which I already took out, and a 17mm here on the tie rod, which is right there. We'll get this off so we can move this back and forth. We'll get into some of the little creases we need to get to. You can see back in the back here is a little tab. I'm gonna get my pry bar and knock this off. It's like some kind of special clamp on the inner tie rod. If you can see that, yeah, that little knot there. I'm just gonna knock off and break that clamp. And this boot, and we got just a regular clamp. Zoom out here, right here. It's just got a regular clamp. You squeeze and give us access to this boot. Said this is what happened. I hit the little tab and knocked the little boot off. So we got inner tie rod. Show you what I did to get there. Put it on like that. Break it loose like so. So I decided to go ahead and cut this one because I can't get this bolt off. It's like it's seized on there, and I need to get my hose clamp in my little rubber boot. Since this one already comes with a bolt, just went out and cut it off. Makes it easier because it's going to be going in trash anyway. So like I said, and you got to remember to get this little washer spacer, whatever this is, on the end and put on this new one. I got my new one back together, trying to measure it from one side to the other. I'm going to get the alignment. I'm going to put a little bit of this thread locker on it, just a tad on the threads. Since I don't have the right tool, I'm using these vice grips, and I don't want it to come off. I doubt it's going to come off, but you never know. Just a little dab there. And on this piece here, that clamp I can't get back on, so I'm just gonna put a zip tie on this end and then put the clamp there. Should be all right. All right, so I got my tie rod in. I got my zip tie on the back. I put my clamp on here, and I'll wait to try to get this as close as I can until I can get it to the alignment shop. And then we got a 19mm here on the lower control arm with a Carter pin, which I already got out. We got two 21s, or 19 I think up here, and it should be a 19 on this back side here. Alright, so I got the two bolts out of that one there and there. And I also took the one out of the bottom. There is a little nut or bracket or something here on the very top of this, in this hole right there. I don't think it's supposed to come out. Feels like it's got a big washer or something on it. And I already got my ball joint loose here on my control arm. So I finished taking this nut out, and hopefully this arm comes out of here. I got those 3 bolts out, and the one over here fell right out of there, so just gonna do the reverse on this side. Well, like I said, that back one on the back side there is kind of a pain in the butt trying to get that little lock. You can see it back there, but it's back there, and it's a pain trying to get it lined up. So I got it. I'm gonna put them 2 bolts in, and then I'm gonna put my ball joint back in there.